forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2 relations and functions. First, Cartesian product. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. The Cartesian product A cross B is a set of all ordered pairs of elements from A and B. Mathematically we write A cross B is a set of ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to first set means A and B means second element belong to second set. For example, let A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to 2 comma 3. Then A cross B is a set of ordered pair. First element belong to first set and second element belong to second set. So we can take any of the element, either 2 or 3. So first take 2, A comma 2, A comma 3. Now take second element B, B comma 2, B comma 3. And B cross A is a set of ordered pair. This time take first element belong to second set 2 and second element either A or B. So first 2 comma A and then 2 comma B. Here order is not important. You can write first 2B and then 2A. After this 3 comma A, 3 comma B. Remarks. Number 1. If A and B are two non-empty sets and either A or B is an infinite set, then so is A cross B. For example, let A is equal to 2, set of even prime number, and N is equal to set of natural numbers. Clearly A is finite set and N is infinite set. Then A cross N is a set of ordered pair. First element belong to first set and second element belong to second set. So 2 1, then 2 2, then 2 3 and so on up to infinity. So A cross N also infinite. Remark number 2. If two ordered pairs are equal, if and only if corresponding first and second elements are equal. For example, let x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3 implies x equal to 2 ordered pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal, means first element equal to first element, second element equal to second element. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 or vice versa. If x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then next step we can write x comma y equal to 2 comma 3. Remark number 3. Number of elements in A cross B is denoted by n A cross B and is equal to NA into NB. Simple product. This is not a Cartesian product. Simple. Number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Fourth, number of subsets of A cross B is equal to 2 raised to the power number of elements in A cross B. Next remark, find A cross phi is equal to phi. If one of the set is empty, then Cartesian product also empty. Point number 6. Let A, B and C are 3 non-empty sets. Then A cross B cross C is a set of ordered triplet A, B, C such that A belong to set A, B belong to set B, C belong to set C. For example, let A equal to 2, 3, B is equal to x, y and C is equal to m, n. Then A cross B cross C is equal to is a set of ordered triplet. First element belong to first set. In first set there are 2 elements. Means first place can be filled by either 2 or 3. First we fill by 2. Then second place can be filled by either x or y. So we can fill x. And then third place by m. In this way we have to fill all the places. For this you can use tree diagram also. First place can be filled in 2 ways by either 2 or 3. So write 2 or 3. When we fill 2, then second place can be filled by again x and y. With 2 we can write x or y. With 3 also we can write x and y. After putting x and y in second place, we can fill third place by either m or n in two ways. M or n. Mn. Here also m or n. Here also m or n. Here also we can fill m or n. Means 2xm. Then 2xn, 2ym, 2yn, 2yn, 3xm, 3xn, 3ym, 3yn. Let's do some problems. Question number 1. If this is equal to this, find the value of x and y. Since x upon 3 plus 1 y minus 2 upon 3 equal to 5 by 3 1 by 3 means two order pairs are equal. When two order pairs are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Means corresponding first element equal to first element and second element equal to second element. So on comparing. X upon 3 plus 1 equal to 5 upon 3 and y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now simplify this. 5 by 3 minus 1. So 2 by 3, 3 or 3 cancel. So x equal to 2 and send 2 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 1. So y equal to 1. Next problem. If A equal to this, find A cross A cross A, means ordered triplet. A cross A is equal to. For this you can use tree diagram. First place can be filled by minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. After this again second place minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. After this again minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1. Now fill this. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then minus 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 1. Then minus 1, 1, minus 1. Minus 1, 1, minus 1. Minus 1, 1, 1. Minus 1, 1, 1. After this 1, minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1, 1. Then 1, 1 minus 1. And at last 1, 1, 1. So we get 8 ordered triplet. Next problem. If A cross B equal to this, find set A and set B. We know by definition first element belong to first set. Means A belong to A belong to A, B belong to A and B belong to A. Therefore set A is equal to A comma B. In set we write only once. That's why I write AB. Similarly, set B is equal to the set of all second elements. Second element belong to second set. So X belong to B, Y belong to B, X belong to B or Y belong to B. So B is equal to X comma Y. Next problem. Let A equal to this and B equal to this. Write A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? List them. So there are three parts. First part, write A cross B. First element belong to first set and second element to second set. So 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. So there are 4 order pair. 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Second part, how many subsets will A cross B have? Number of subsets of A cross B is equal to 2 raised to the power n A cross B. Means number of elements in A cross B. How many elements? Number of elements in A cross B means number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Number of elements in A 2. Number of elements in B 2. 2 raised to the power 4 means 16. Or we can count also 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, list them. So write all 16 subsets. Subsets of A cross B are. We all know phi is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. So one of the set is phi. Now take pair of 1 elements 1, 3 and always write in curly bracket. बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे लिख देते बिना curly bracket 1, 3, 1, 4. No, 1, 3 in curly bracket, 1, 4 in curly bracket, 2, 3 in curly bracket and 2, 4 in curly bracket. So first take single element. Now take pair of 2, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 in this way. 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 3 and 1, 4. After this 1, 3 and 2, 3. Then 1, 3 and 2, 4. 1, 3 and 2, 4. After this 1, 4 and 2, 3. 1, 4 and 2, 3. Now 1, 4 and 2, 4. After this 2, 3 and 2, 4. Now take 3 at n. There are 4 order pairs. Take 3 at n. First time don't take 2, 4. Second time don't take 2, 3. Third time don't take 1, 4 in this variety. So 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. First time don't take last order pair. Second time 1, 3, 1, 4. Don't take this 2, 4. Now 1, 3. This time don't take second order pair. 2, 3 and 2, 4. And at last don't take 1, 3. So 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Now take all 4 at a time. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. And at last cross check also. Total 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. In next lecture, we will discuss relations. Thank you. Have a nice day.